fast will I lose weight on keto? What to expect dieting on keto? Weight loss is one of the most popular uses of the ketogenic diet these days. If you're using keto to drop pounds, you might wonder how fast you can expect it to happen. Since everyone is different, it's hard to get a specific answer, but this article will cover what you can generally expect along with some tips for losing weight on keto. Weight loss on keto. Everyone is different. Everyone's body is different, which means weight loss can happen at varying rates depending on your situation. For example, if you have a lot of excess weight to lose, you'll likely notice faster weight loss in the beginning. Once you reach a lower weight, or if you start at a lower weight, the loss might happen at a slower rate. If you have any hormonal or metabolic issues, the process might be slower than expected. That's okay, too. The key is to stay consistent and focus on eating healthy keto foods. Treat the keto diet as what it is, not simply a diet, but a lifestyle and metabolic shift in your health. Now, that being said, what we can tell you is the average results people experience when losing weight on keto. Average weight loss on the ketogenic diet. Typically, in the first week of the keto diet, people see a very quick drop in weight, anywhere from a few pounds to as much as 10. That's because keto causes you to initially release a lot of water weight, not fat, from drastically cutting your carb intake. While this isn't fat loss, it's a sign that your body is working its way into ketosis, fat burning mode. After a week or two, weight loss will happen at a slower and more steady pace. This is also the period of time when you're getting keto adapted as your body switches from burning carbs to burning fat. It's also good because you'll actually be losing fat now. A safe, average loss from here is around 1-2 pounds per week. Sometimes this is a little less or more. As you get closer to your goal weight and overall body weight decreases, weight loss slows down. This is because as your weight decreases, your total caloric needs each day decreases. So, even if you still have a deficit of calories to lose weight, it will now be a smaller difference. You might have some weeks where it seems you haven't lost anything. Then you'll weigh a week or two later and be down 3-4 pounds. The key is to stick with it and not get discouraged. Just make sure you're still in ketosis and give your body time to do its thing. Factors affecting keto weight loss. The rate of weight loss also depends on other factors. For example, if you exercise while eating keto, that will affect the amount of calories you burn each day. Also, let's remember there are some important steps when eating keto. 1. Figuring out your macros. 2. Getting into ketosis. This usually takes anywhere between 2-7 days. 3. Testing your ketones regularly and properly to make sure you're staying in ketosis. 4. Eating a clean ketogenic diet and avoiding any hidden carbs. 5. If you feel like your weight has stalled even after sticking with it, or it isn't happening as fast as it could, there might be some areas you can tweak. Below are some additional factors to consider.